Alright, what is good, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Moody, and as you can see, you're watching Moody TV. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because man, the sneaker game is at an interesting time right now. So if you like the video, like it, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. But you already see what we unboxed, man. I'm not gonna hold y'all up too much longer. Jordan Air with the red Jumpman on the box. I feel like we should have got the blue Jumpman. If you know, you know. When we had the Legend Blue 11 lows, Jumpman was blue. Just saying, Jordan brand. But not gonna hold y'all up, man. Oh my gosh. Even with the unboxing earlier, oh my gosh. Let me take them out so y'all can get another close look. Paper is gonna be that checkerboard paper like they did in the 2014 pair. They did not do this for the Legend Blue 11 low, so that's nice that they went ahead and added that little detail. But yes, the Christmas Jordans are finally here. And when I tell y'all my pair looks immaculate, man, oh my goodness. There's nothing like a brand new pair of Jordans, but like when they're all white, they're new, icy soles. It's just something about it, man. You can't go wrong with these. The last time we seen these was the Legend Blue 11s. Last time these released, man, 2014. Man, I was still in high school, broke. Look, working at Burger King, $7.75 an hour, man. Didn't have no responsibilities, so whatever I did get my money, I was spending it on shoes and then gas when I started driving. But they have returned in the year of 2024, and my goodness, they look good. So on the back, you do have that hit of 23. Icy soles on the bottom with black pods. Even the carbon fiber here on the bottom is black with that Legend Blue on there. Jumpman Jordan right here on the tongue. And it's the Christmas 11s. People are gonna get them for the whole family. Will they sit on shelves like everything else has? As you know, we just got the black cement 3s. Those kind of sat around on shelves. Probably still to this day if you go to specific stores. So I don't know. $230 price tag. They don't say it on the box anymore, but $230 price tag. I don't know. It's a toss-up. I feel like last year's Jordans, what was that, the DMP 11s? I don't think those sold out immediately, maybe so. But these, I don't know. It's a toss-up, but don't treat it like any other shoe if you want these now. If you want them and you've been waiting for these to come since 2014, like me, do your due diligence. But outside of that, man, you know, if I end up getting them, you already know wifey is gonna get her pair too. So as you know, the shock drop for these sneakers, the reason why we even have these in the first place, November 26th. So I'm recording this on December 5th. So a little over a week ago, during that Thanksgiving week, a couple days before Thanksgiving, they did do the shock drop on these. My wife was lucky enough to hit on her size, and I was lucky enough to hit on my size. So, you know, a win is a win. With grade school sizing, it also is gonna come with that same checkerboard print paper. And then, you know, grade school sizes. I feel like when it comes to 11s, I feel like no matter what the colorway is, they always look a bit wonky. My wife isn't really feeling the shape of these, but I also have to tell her that they tie the front so tight. Oh my goodness, just throwing it at my camera. They tie the front so tight that where like the shape looks crazy. So maybe you have to unlace them and then take a better look at them. Maybe they look a little bit better there. You know, we do have a men's pair to look at here and a grade school pair to look at. So a little bit of the difference there. Men's, grade school, all that good stuff, man. Now that we kind of got the review of the shoe out the way, I want to talk a little bit about my experience with this shoe, because my experience with this shoe back in 2014, I don't think you guys know, but I do have the 2014 pair here. We're gonna take a look at these too. Dusty. Now, I could probably count on one hand how many times I wear this. One, they're all white, and two, mine had a flaw on them. Back in 2014, I was still buying sneakers on eBay. Before they had the authenticity guarantee, that was not a thing. So you just had to go based off of pictures. People had posted the receipts that they had for the shoes inside the box. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, you kind of had to just hope and pray that you got a legit pair. I checked it online. These were legitimate. But the unboxing experience for 11s back in the day, oh my gosh, it don't really want to come out. Was that it? Oh yeah, the unboxing experience for 11s back in the day was crazy. You got this plastic cover to cover it up. Okay, we're just gonna take it completely apart. So this will be the box itself. Still has that nice texture pattern on the side. It will have 2-3 on the outside of the box with the Jumpman Jordan that you would normally see on the tongue on the outside. So the box for these were great. They did that for Bread, Space Jams, pretty much all of the famous Jordan 11 colorways that we have seen. And man, I ain't gonna lie, like I said, I've only worn these a handful of times and my pair still looks great. Oh, ain't no way. See, I don't know how this happened, y'all. I'm just not opening these up the box. Look, I had to take these from being piled up on top of so many shoes. Look at this stain. Actually, I do remember where I feel like this stain probably came from. I did a review, Legible 11 highs and the Legible 11 lows. If you haven't seen that video, you can go ahead and check that down below. But that was the last time I took these sneakers out the box. So I probably had something laying around on the table when we used to shoot our videos in the living room. So that's probably why I do have this unfortunate stain on this and on the inside of the shoe tree, and ended up unfortunately getting on my tongue. As you can tell, these are definitely the 2014 pairs because of the oxidation of the soles. Like I said, I've only worn these maybe a handful of times, kept them very, very clean. But it's been 10 years and I feel like they're in pretty good condition. Now, they do have like some yellowing going on the eyelids that connect the laces compared to the new pair. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but there is a little bit of a yellow tint to these now. Even though I had these in a box put away, I don't know if I'm gonna even bother to get this stain out. But yeah, I'm probably just gonna start beating these to the ground now since I got the new ones. Now, and that's the thing, that's what I wanted to talk to you about, because the reason why I wanted to get the new pair is because the pair I got from eBay had this defect on it. So as you can see with the patent leather, I don't really know how to explain it, but like it has this like discoloration, or it kind of looks like the patent leather was peeled off of it, and it always discouraged me for even wanting to wear these. That's why I only wore these a handful of times. So when I heard that these was coming back out again, man, I was like, hey, it's like I do already have them, but they old. And as you can see, these are crispy. There's nothing. That was the first thing I looked for, was the patent leather, and there's nothing wrong with this pair at all. The paper is a little bit different. The paper is glossy. I do have the paper in here. The paper was glossy, but yeah, outside of that, that was all for the original, not original, but the 2014 pair box. It feels good to finally have these in a wearable. I mean, these were wearable, right? I just didn't want to get caught with this. You know what I'm saying? That really discouraged me from wearing these. But that's all right now. We have the new pair here. That was my dilemma. I didn't know if I wanted to keep them, but after I had them in hand, y'all, I can't hold you. They too clean. They way too clean. How many times will I wear them? Well, you're gonna have to subscribe and find out if I ever wear them in any future videos. I feel like they executed this sneaker great. The only thing we miss out on from this year's 2024 pair is the special box, but honestly, we'll be all right. Glad to see these back in, not really back in the collection, but I'm glad to see a good pair in the collection. I might want to pull out an all-white fit now. You know what I'm saying? So very appreciative. Y'all, if you are watching this before December 14th, December 14th is going to be the release date for this shoe here. Like I said, please do your due diligence if you want them. Make sure you put in your raffles. Don't wait for the sneakers app. Who knows how many other people out there are also going to be going for this shoe as well. And you don't want to take that L, all right? Because with the sneaker market these days, who knows what will sell out and what will sit. All right, it's your boy Moody. Appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Man, we might do a pickup vlog for these whenever they do release. Black Cat 3s are releasing early January. And I'm not gonna lie, y'all, that's my grill. Low key is my grill sneaker. So definitely gonna try to get at least 20 pairs of those, at least 20. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. I appreciate y'all for watching as always. It's your boy Moody, checking in, checking out. I'm gone. Appreciate y'all for watching.